Model CHR 68 chucking machine. Cyclomatic, 15 years of professional manufacturing experience of high precision lathes in Taiwan. The spindle is mounted in high precision preloaded ball bearings, eliminating radial and in play. Available in taper or threaded spindle nose. The spindle nose accommodates a 6-inch chuck, face plates up to 9-inch diameter, or 5C collets using a fast lever collet closer. Infinitely variable spindle speeds from 135 to 2955 RPM can be obtained while the machine is running. When the forward reverse lever is placed at center off position, the solenoid brake is automatically actuated. The full bearing carriage is laminated with tersite B to reduce friction and increase accuracy. The carriage runs on a solid hardened and ground bedway and is pressure lubricated. All precision gears and clutches run in an oil bath completely enclosed by a double wall apron. Independent, infinitely variable feeds can be changed instantly at any time, producing efficient chip removal and smooth surface finish. The precision ground 8-station turret automatically indexes one space by moving the locking lever. The turret is rigidly locked when the lever is returned. The large diameter crossfeed dial is easy to read for close, accurate control of part size and works in conjunction with the crossfeed indicator. The carriage hand wheel with dial graduations of 1/64 inch moves the carriage smoothly throughout its 14-inch range. An 8-station carriage stop drum is provided to control longitudinal movement of the carriage. The stops are adjustable and the drum can be rapidly indexed to desired position. Cyclomatic for high speed, high accuracy, high performance.